Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar XE key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. A well-lit area is also helpful for seeing the small components clearly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. Be careful not to use excessive force. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, ensuring all the internal components are correctly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the trunk release, to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.